So this is the Bold VetroMount system. This is a frameless base balustrade system which comes in 4 different profiles and is suitable in glass thicknesses from 12 to 21.5 laminate glass. The system has been tested up to 1.5 kilonewtons, which will suit you for 99% of your applications. With Bold VetroMount system, there isn't any specialist skills necessarily required to install. If you're already adept at handling glass, you could easily transverse those skills to the external applications of glass, such as balustrading. We have 2 tools available to help in the ease of installation. First one I'll point out is the Vetro level. The Vetro level is a very, very simple design. It's one of our variable suction lifters with a spirit level both on the top and on the main base to allow for complete stability and visual representation of where your glass is aligned whilst you're installing. The second tool that we have is utilised when we install the product. So the clamps themselves have a very small taper, which does require adjusting. And if you're doing multiple meters, if you've got 5, 6, 10 plus meters worth, it's worthwhile having a tool that's going to A, protect the glass when pressed up, and B, gets you off site quicker.